Hey dear fellow travelers, welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of savvy travel. I'm your guide to navigating the world with ease. We're spilling the beans on the 12 items that seasoned travelers have ditched from their packing lists. Yup, you heard it right. These are the things you can leave behind without a second thought. Number 1. Overpacking. Alright folks, let's kick things off with the classic rookie mistake. Overpacking. I am talking about the urge to pack your entire wardrobe for a weekend getaway. Trust me, been there, done that. But let's face it, do you really need 5 pairs of shoes for a 2-day trip? No. It's time to embrace the art of minimalist packing and savor the freedom that comes with traveling light. The struggle is real, isn't it? Next up, the infamous travel pillow. Sure, they look comfy, but have you ever tried squeezing one of these things into your carry-on? It's like playing a game of Tetris with your luggage. Plus, let's be honest, they never really give you that beauty sleep you were hoping for. Number 3. Massive guidebook. And there goes your precious space. The trusty guidebook. Remember those days when we used to lug around these brick-sized books, only to realize we never cracked them open? Thanks to smartphones and travel apps, we've bid farewell to these relics of the past. Sorry, old friend, but you're just too bulky for the modern traveler. Number 4. Toiletries. Raise your hand if you're ever fallen victim to the curse of overpacking toiletries. I'm talking about shampoo, conditioner, body wash, the whole shebang. But here's the kicker. Most hotels provide these essentials for free. So why not lighten your load and save some suitcase space? Lesson learned the hard way, right? Number 5. DSLR camera. Now, let's talk about those hefty DSLR cameras. While they might capture stunning images, they also take up a considerable amount of space and weight in your luggage. Many travelers have switched to compact and lightweight mirrorless cameras, or simply rely on their smartphone cameras for capturing memories on the go. Poor thing. It's a real space hog. Number 6. Physical books. The joy of indulging in a good book while on vacation. But lugging around a stack of physical books can weigh you down. Instead, consider investing in an e-reader or downloading e-books onto your tablet or smartphone. It's a space-saving solution that allows you to carry your entire library with ease. Looks like we've got a real bookworm here. Number 7. Laptop. In today's digital age, many tasks that once required a laptop can now be easily accomplished on a smartphone or a tablet. Unless you need it for work or specific tasks, leave the bulky laptop behind and opt for more portable devices. Trying to cram that laptop in there is like solving a puzzle, isn't it? Number 8. Paper travel journal. While keeping a travel journal to document your adventures is a wonderful idea, carrying around a bulky notebook and pen might not be practical for everyone. Consider switching to a digital journaling app or simply using the notes feature on your smartphone to capture memories on the fly. Sometimes the old-fashioned way just doesn't fit into your modern lifestyles. Number 9. Paper boarding pass. The days of printing out boarding passes seem like a distant memory now. With mobile boarding pass options, available through airline apps. There's no need to waste paper or clutter your wallet with physical passes. Simply have your digital boarding pass ready on your smartphone for a seamless check-in experience. Looks like someone's stuck in the pre-digital era. Number 10. Bulky Umbrella. The classic umbrella, a staple for many travelers, especially those visiting rainy destinations. However, bulky umbrellas can take up valuable space in your luggage and can be hassle to carry around. Instead, consider packing a compact travel umbrella or opting for a lightweight rain poncho that can easily fit into your bag. Looks like someone's wrestling with an umbrella monster. Number 11. Brochures. In the past, travelers would collect stacks of paper brochures from tourist attractions and activities, only for them to end up unused or discarded. Nowadays, with information readily available online, there is no need to clutter your luggage with paper brochures. Simply research and plan your activities digitally before your trip. Trying to tame that paper jungle? Number 12. Portable speaker. While it's tempting to bring along a portable speaker to enjoy music or podcasts during your travels, they can be bulky and take up precious space in your luggage. Instead, consider using headphones or earbuds for personal listening, or simply enjoy the ambient sounds of your destination without disturbing others. Looks like that speaker wants to make its presence known, but it might be better off staying at home. Well folks, there you have it, 12 items that experienced travelers no longer pack. Remember, the key to stress-free travel is packing smart and keeping it simple. So ditch the excess baggage and embrace the freedom of minimalist packing. Until next time, happy travels!